Tern is a AIM-listed investment company with the goal of developing an exciting portfolio of companies, specifically in the software technology area, predominantly from the UK. Tern's strategy is really to take these companies and provide our personal involvement to develop the management team, to create software as a service model, SaaS if you will, and to provide ways to globalize the opportunities. We look to invest in companies that have little to no product risk, have a solid customer, and the ability to leverage that into creating greater asset value for our company and our shareholders. The excitement for Tern, and for me in particular, is the Internet of Things marketplace. It is a rapidly growing and expanding marketplace where large companies like General Electric, Samsung, Boeing, etc., are making huge commitments. That is, they're saying that to their shareholders, everything they do will be connected to the Internet by 2020. This expansion in this marketplace, according to Gartner, will have over 50 billion devices connected to the Internet, provides great opportunity for disruptive technologies. This is what Tern is really looking to invest in. We're finding companies that really create capabilities that can be adopted by these larger organizations and bring them to market faster and leverage those investments such that they can meet their shareholder goals. We think by working in this area, we provide an exciting opportunity for our shareholders to participate in markets that they may or may not have an opportunity to do so, as listed companies are not in that fold today.
We believe great teams make great companies. So we get involved very early on prior to investing to assess the skill set of the team, to work out where they may have gaps, where they may need extra support. Post-investment, we give them access to our resources, to our wider network as well, and to introduce them to potential strategic partners, which may have a force multiplying effect, or actually could provide an exit somewhere in the future. We're a seasoned group of executives in the technology industry. We've got a wealth of experience, both operational and deal making as well. So often some of the issues that some of these young companies are facing, we've often seen before in some guise or other. We do have a very committed and hands-on approach, and therefore we're often able to guide them through these problems or give them solutions that they may not come across themselves initially. We also have access into the US market with our wide network and resources. And it gives access to a market that these companies may not otherwise have.
Tern, in 3 to 4 years, will have a robust portfolio of companies, maybe somewhere in the neighborhood of a dozen, that's split between providing data analytics for the Internet of Things, security for the Internet of Things, and application development capabilities for the Internet of Things. We see these 3 areas as the most important areas for early stage opportunity within this marketplace. So 3 to 4 years from now, we will have 12 companies. We'll exit maybe 2 or 3 of them per year, add 3 or 4 per year. The importance of this development of our portfolio will provide us with the ability to increase our net asset value, create operating income from the sale or disposal of companies, and provide our shareholders with significant returns. Our shareholders should really look to us as the leading investment company in the UK, focused in this fast-growing market, the IoT space, and one in which we're providing consistent returns. Consistency, I think, is really the essence of what shareholders are looking for in terms of performance. So year over year, we want to deliver consistent growth, consistent net asset value increase, so that our shareholders can count on us for their returns.
We're a young company in early stages of our development. As we increase our investment portfolio, we should see a growth in NAV. We were able to demonstrate that in 2016 when we had a 560% increase in our net asset value compared to 2015. We're focused on a fast-growing technology market. The Internet of Things is disruptive by its very nature, and we've repositioned the company to focus on that and to enable us to capitalise on that opportunity.
It's all about the market that we're investing in, the portfolio that we're building, and the approach that we're taking to creating these companies, both here and in Silicon Valley, that provide our investors with the opportunities to co-invest with blue chip companies that are buying our portfolio companies, investing in our portfolio companies, and utilizing the technologies that we're bringing to market within the framework of our investments. Investments that we believe will bring exceptional returns for our shareholders.